Guys, we're here at AutoZone. I gotta go pick up some parts for that G, because that shit's misfiring. Probably need a coil. Just buy one anyway, see what's up. How's it going?
Bro, I've been trying to get this lady to switch this
It's all
PO
good,
and
bro.
everything, bro. I'm gonna text her right now after. Hold on. What's the PO for your account?
Find it. I don't care, I usually come in for shit.
No, I feel you. At the end of the day, bro, if you're
Are you losing business because of it?
Not necessarily. They get the allocation, considering like whoever you open the store with. Even though I make the sale, at the end of the week they'll pull that money. Think about it.
Do the NGK ones come pre-gapped? Okay. Got the scanner right here. Unfortunately, we do have a code. Rescan it really quick. It's for cylinder 4 misfire. I'm pretty sure it's a coil. If it's not a coil, I think it might be a spark plug. If not, we'll go further. We got the coil right there, so let's get to it.